Hey, PaddyG here. Welcome back to PaddyG DIY. I think it's time we got this Workmate off of these paint cans and on a proper foundation. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I like my Workmate just a little bit higher. And it's been on paint cans for a while, and I just want to make it a little taller, make it easier to work with. And so I came up with the idea of building a rolling cart, which is basically just a 2x6 frame, sheet of plywood on it, and casters underneath. So I've found that the most effective way to do this is just frame it in 2x4s and put another, maybe a couple layers of plywood where the wheels are going to go. And that will allow us to mount the wheels on something substantial that'll hold up to the load. And I'll have to mount the casters, which are all swivel casters. I'll have to mount them inboard enough to allow them to turn. So that's what I've got in mind. So I think what I'm going to do, since I already have these two lengths marked on these boards, I think I'm just going to cut them off on the miter saw and then cut two more to match. You know how sometimes when you plan and plan and plan and plan, but when you lay the first stick, the first block, stretch out the first string, things just change? So I originally had this elaborate scheme of putting the bottom in and then turning it over and blocking up these wheels to where they were inside. But you know what? Sometimes simpler is better. So, since I decided to mount the wheels more outboard, I want to cut a block to go in here to support this fourth screw hole and give it a little added strength. I think this project turned out very well. Being able to move this thing off of this work area will allow me to bring my motorcycle over here, or whatever it is else I want to tinker on. And this thing will fit under the table saw, as you saw in the video. I think it's working out great. This base is really substantial. I mean, there's a lot of weight. It's probably 40, 50 pounds, 40 pounds maybe. So it's a good balance if you're working up higher here. And I used this when I was doing product reviews. And so you may see some more of that in the future too. Drop me a line. Let me know if you like the product reviews or not. And I didn't clear coat the bottom of this thing. I figured it was kind of overkill. This top looks really good with the clear coat on it. Maybe someday I will. Maybe when it warms up. It was 13 degrees today. And I don't know, 50 in here. And I don't know if you can see, but on each side of this, where this is has this rim, this lip on it, I left about a 1/4 inch crack on each side so I can sweep the dust off if I don't want to drag out the vacuum. I hope you can build one of these for your Workmate. So I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for watching. Glad you dropped by. Hope you enjoyed this episode. So listen, don't forget to like and share. Hit the subscribe button to keep up with what's going on here at PaddyG DIY. And until next time, thanks for watching. God bless. And I'll see you later.